OK， 我哋正話講咗3個 creational design pattern 啦。Singleton 咧，記住嗱，我哋係講過係得單一，但係單一嘅意思咧並唔係話只係單一嘅 client， 而係單一個即係做 server 嗰邊，即係 provide service 嗰邊係單一嚇，即係譬如舉一個例就話 logging 嗰個例子啦，即係如果我有個 application， 我想有人或者係佢做咗啲咩 activities 嘅，我想知道嘅，咁可能咁我即係我 make sure 就淨係所有人 ，sorry 啊，我刪咗 ，sorry 啊，我刪咗個聲音先。Singleton 即係 Singleton 嘅 method 咧，就係個主要嘅重點就係提供服務嗰個只可以有一個 ，OK？ 正話講嗰個例子係正話我譬如諗到其中一個例子咧，就係邊啲情況底下只可以有一個咧，就係如果譬如佢提供嗰個服務係派籌嘅，即係喺酒樓嗰度派籌，咁派籌1、2、3、4、5咁一路上去。如果你有提供多過一個 object 去做派籌嘅時候咧，咁佢哋又派咗各有各派咗35號籌，咁然之後到下一個 turn 到35號籌嘅時候咧，咁有2個人走嚟揸住佢嗰張紙話：我有35喎。咁原來因為你有2個 objects 都派咗35俾佢，咁咪唔可以即係 Singleton 咧，即係喺嗰個情況底下要用 Singleton。咁當然亦都有啲情況係底下係唔用 Singleton 啦，就譬如果你喺 e-commerce 嘅 website 咁樣，你 call 假設你要 create 一個叫shopping cart 咁嘅東西，咁每一個客你都應該 return 翻一個佢自己嘅 shopping cart 俾佢嚇。咁所以喺呢個情況咧，我哋就唔會用 Singleton 啦。即係所以你要睇到邊啲情況底下我只可以有一個 object， 邊啲情況底下係有多個factory method 咧就係、factory method is to give the choice of multiple kinds of objects as you need, okay? And abstract factory takes it one step further. Not only multiple kinds of objects, but 2, 3, 4, 5 families of multiple objects. So in order to take it to another abstract level, whenever you see the keyword abstract, it almost always require the use of interface. So now you have seen some use of the interface. Okay, interface. If you have an interface and have multiple concrete class to implement that interface, that lets you choose. Okay, in the case of abstract factory, you can choose Android GUI, Mac GUI, Windows GUI, and you can also change it on the fly too, even. So next, let's look at 2 behavioral design patterns. So this is about behavior, observer patterns and strategy. Observer, we have multiple subscribers. Okay, multiple subscribers would need some information, constantly updated at the publisher. So there is one publisher and multiple subscribers, and the subscribers may join and leave at any time. Okay, so the solution is for the publishers to implement observable interface, and subscribers implement observer interface. So now you also see the use of interface. We have 2 interfaces, one for the publisher, observer, and one for the subscribers. Oh, sorry, observable, not observer. And So the class diagram would look like this. This on the left-hand side is the publisher part. So the publisher part, the publisher has a state that the observer is interested in. And for example, the observer may want to know the price of a stock. 佢想知道個股票個價錢。咁如果個股票個價錢一喐嘅時候咧，我就想知道。咁當然 realistically 咧，佢可能會收到太多通知啦，即係不停會即係嘈到佢死啦。咁可能我哋會需要 set 啲 time interval， 可能每1分鐘一次啦。如果唔係1分鐘幾廿個 message 佢會暈低。OK， 咁 so observer has this side, it needs to provide an interface, a method. Okay, and the observable also provides some method. 呢度有少少 my apology 咧，因為我啲跟住落嚟嗰啲圖咧係 come from 即係唔同嘅 source 嘅，因為有啲咧，譬如呢一個咧叫佢做 synchronized state 喎，但係咧我哋有一個嘅部分咧就可能係叫做 refresh data，OK， 咁所以呢度係有少少我，但係而家我未有時間整理住啦，咁所以即係make sure you know that right hand side is for the observer. Left hand side is for the publisher, and generally the left hand side I have one. Of course, there may be multiple publisher in case the client want to monitor multiple stock. OK， 佢可能炒緊好多隻股票，咁可能幾隻都要 observe， 咁所以咧就變咗呢邊都係 one dot dot star. That means you may be subscribing to multiple stock prices, and each stock price would notify multiple observers. Let's see. So the publisher, so this report manager is the publisher, and I guess the most important method right here is register, unregister, and notify observers. Got publisher, got register. The usage of this is for the observer, the subscriber to call. So if I want the stock price, I would call register of this guy, of the publisher. And this is the code from the on the publisher side. Publisher has a register method, and if the observer wants to know the price, it will call this method, but pass its own reference to the publisher. So the publisher would add the observer's reference to its observers list. Okay, and of course, if someone wants to remove it, it can also do a unregister. So now maybe someone press a button. For example, maybe the stock price has changed now, and if the stock price change, it may trigger the call to notify observers. Then the notify observers will go through the list of observer list, which is updated by these two functions, register and unregister, and go through it one by one, and then call the observers refresh data. Okay, and this is the second half of the publisher's code, and this shows that maybe there's a GUI, a UI, an end user may press a button, and it will trigger the action listener to do something and then notify the observer. And so this is the observer side. The observer side will implement an interface called refresh data, or my apology, maybe synchronized state. Okay, whatever it's called, but it's an interface on this side, and multiple subscribers will need to implement it if I have multiple kinds of observer. So the purpose of this refresh data is to update the display on the client side, on the subscriber side. So the subscriber, whenever, so this is what the subscriber would do. When they start, it will register itself to the publisher. And then the publisher, when the stock price is updated, the publisher would go through its list and call everyone in its list refresh data, and it will be executed on the client side, and the client will see the updated information. So this technique is called a callback function. Okay, advanced RMI, you can use callback so that the subscriber can be called by the server. 通常即係呢個係比較複雜少少嘅 programming 咯，就係個 callback 就係通常就係我哋通常 client 同埋 server 嘅關係咧，就係個 client call 個 server 一啲嘢，然之後個 server 就 return 啲 result。咁但係當呢個係我哋係 let's say 係 synchronized 嘅 communication 嘅時候咧，呢個就好簡單好清晰，即係話我而家問你一個問題，你而家俾翻個答案我 good。但係咧 publisher 同埋 subscriber 咧就並唔係呢一個咁樣嘅 relationship， 因為 publish 同埋 subscribe 咧就係任何時間嗰啲 data 係轉咗嘅時候咧，咁佢需要有一個方法去通知翻嗰啲 subscriber， 咁嗰啲 subscriber 咧，所以就提供一個 callback method 俾 publisher 去 call。個 publisher 如果有需要嘅話咧，就 call 嗰個 subscriber 嗰個 method， 咁然之後咧就由嗰個 subscriber 即係就會 update 到佢嘅 screen 啊咁樣。咁呢一個係係一個即係比較係 efficient 嘅方法啦，即係係好 efficient 嘅。即係如果唔係咁嘅時候咧，大家有冇咩第二啲嘅方法可以諗到咧？即係譬如如果唔用 callback 呢一個方法，其實唔用 callback 咧個問題咧就係個 client 嗰邊唔知道嗰個股票係幾時會個股價 update 一次噶嘛。咁所以如果佢想收到最新嘅股價嘅時候咧 ，OK， 佢最穩陣、最理想嘅方法同埋最即時嘅，亦都係最 efficient 嘅方法咧，就係提供一個 callback， 就係用呢個 publisher， 即係用呢個 observer 嘅 pattern。否則嘅話咧，另外一個方法，如果佢唔提供呢一個 callback 嘅時候咧，有咩嘅方法咧？就變咗佢可能要每15秒就 call 一次，或者每30秒 call 一次。咁樣嘅時候咧，咁你咪會有好多 traffic 同埋好多 additional work 咯。咁所以最好就係即係而家呢一個嘅 observer 嘅方法咧，就係兩方面咧都提供一個 method 俾對方嘅 call， 就係個 observer 嗰邊咧就會 call 嗰個publisher 個 subscriber， 就 call 個 publisher 咧就係 add me to your list。咁然之後咧由於個 subscriber 係 implement 咗嗰個 call me back 嘅 function， 我哋呢度叫做 refresh data 咁樣。咁 whenever 嗰個 publisher 需要嘅時候咧，有嘢 update 嘅時候咧，嗰陣時就 call 個 observer。咁呢一個咧就可以即係減少咗有啲無謂嘅 traffic。我哋叫做嗰個方法叫 polling。polling 就係即係我問你有冇嘢俾我，有冇嘢俾我，即係不停咁樣問。就算你冇嘢咧， 我都要問咗一次，即係我都會即係聽你答啊咁呢個係非常之 inefficient 嘅。咁但係而家有咗呢個方法咧，就係靠我哋 wrap up，我哋即係我哋係refresh 翻咧，就係喺 publisher 嗰方面咧係需要有 register 嘅方法 ，unregister 咧呢兩個咧就係俾 subscriber 去 call 嘅，同埋 subscriber call 嘅時候咧會 pass 自己嘅 reference 落去，即係或者 pass 自己嘅 address 咁都係可以 call 到啦。然之後咧有某一個 event 可能係一個 end user 撳個掣啦喺個 UI 嗰度，即係話send 個 report 啦，又或者係喺如果喺嗰個股票市場嗰度，逢係有一單新嘅交易，呢個新嘅交易係用一啲即係個價錢係改變咗嘅，咁我就會 call 一個 notify observers，就 call 嗰個publisher，個 publisher 咧就會好似呢度咁樣咧 go through 佢嘅 list， sorry 呢一度 go through 個 list 就會 call 嗰啲subscriber 啦。OK， 咁所以呢個咧就 finish 咗我哋呢個嘅 observer 嘅pattern。OK， finally， 我哋有一個嘅叫 strategy 嘅 pattern。呢一個 strategy 嘅 pattern 咧，我哋係屬於個 behavioural 嘅 category 啦。What it is used for us is for the client to be able to select one of several algorithms。and 咁你話我喺 code 嗰度做嘢都得啦，即係我可唔可以喺個program code 嗰度 hide code 咧？或者有啲 case 我哋係需要俾個 client 係 dynamically 去揀嘅，即係呢個 so that's the key benefit of the strategy. So it allows you don't have to hard code it in your program. It can do the selection at runtime. Okay. So let's see. I think after we describe the solution with diagrams, this would make more sense. So we have some concrete strategy. Okay, it's usually some algorithm. 譬如舉個例如果我哋嘅 task 係去做一啲嘅 sorting 嘅時候咧，咁個 concrete strategy 咧有一個咧就係可能係 bubble sort 啦，即係你第一日上即係咁你未學其他more efficient 嘅，咁你做咗 bubble sort 先，咁然之後咧到你學咗let's say insertion sort 嘅時候咧，咦咁我可以create 一個 insertion sort。然之後咧，一樣去 implement 呢一個 strategy。咁嗰陣時去 switch 嘅時候咧，係可以好容易，即係可以好 dynamic 嘅。Let's see what the code would look like. So the interface will have a method that all the algorithms that would be used to for the chosen algorithm to run, and then you defined a concrete strategy class to implement the interface, and the context will have a variable to hold the strategy. Okay, so let's see this piece of code right now. To make our example simple, just assume our algorithm is simple addition, subtraction, and multiplication. In reality, we would have perhaps several dozens of code to implement a complex algorithm. Okay. So we have an interface strategy that would operate on some data. Okay. In this case, it's just 2 data items. In other case, it may be a list, it may be 3 items, and so on. And each strategy I would implement this interface and I would do the algorithm. In this case, this is an addition, this is a subtraction, this is a multiplication. And we have a context class so that this context class will have the strategy as in a private variable. And this private variable if someone called this, I would use this strategy and execute the addition, subtraction, or multiplication, or whatever algorithm on the data given to me. And now you can see that in this program, I would need to create this context with my strategy, okay? But this is an actual strategy. So you create your concrete strategy here and pass it to the context. And the context, in the context, you execute the strategy. And this will do the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And you can see that you can do that dynamically. Like you can embed this in an if statement. So that if statement allows you to choose whatever algorithm, and it's very flexible. Okay, so this, and if you need to change anything, this program does not need to change. Okay, all you need to change is adding a class here, like defining a class to implement. So once again, the code with design patterns is not any shorter, but when you need to make change, the change will be easy to make, and also you know where to put it. Okay. So if you're using, our discussion assumes the use of Java. If you're using a slightly different language, some of the design patterns may almost be directly supported by the very powerful programming language. You may not need that. Okay. So this is the last page of the day. Let me show you the story of this person, James Cameron. 我哋正話講咗 pattern 點解有 pattern 啊？即係因為有一啲嘅 design pattern 咧，我哋 solve 咗某一啲嘅 problem 係有一啲好嘅嘢喺入邊，咁我哋想喺嗰度學咗啲好嘅嘢，咁然之後用喺第二個 case 嗰度。咁其實有時即係我會鼓勵大家咧睇一啲嘅某一啲人物嘅生平咧，有時都可以學到一啲成功嘅嘢嘅。咁呢個係一個好出名嘅荷里活嘅 producer，OK， 佢有啲咩嘅 achievement 咧 ？OK，Terminator 我哋都一定睇過啦 ，Arnold Schwarzenegger 啦 ，Aliens 啦，好驚嚇嗰個啦 ，Titanic 啦 ，Avatar 啦，都係佢做，佢攞咗幾個 Academy Awards 嘅 Best Picture、Film Director、Film Editor。喺即係幾年前咧，即係佢係荷里活香港人睇戲咧就中意睇明星嘅，但係外國人咧佢哋除咗睇明星之外咧，就係睇邊個係 producer 或者邊個係 director。但係呢一個人嘅開始嘅時候咧，想話俾大家聽咧，其實佢讀書唔係好叻嘅喎 ，OK， 佢係。如果喺美國咧，係嗰啲比較渣啲嘅同學咧，即係或者一係渣啦，一係窮啦，即係或者兩樣都有少少㗎啦。即係因為如果佢讀書好叻嘅話咧，佢會有 scholarship 啦。咁至少佢冇 scholarship，咁佢讀書嘅時候咧係讀嗰啲叫 2-year college， 相等於我哋嘅，你知唔知我哋 OU 有一個叫 Lee Pace 嘅 學院啊，李嘉誠專業進修學院，即係2年嘅。讀完之後咧，咁或者有個 diploma 咁樣，即係冇 degree 嘅。咁但係讀書嘅時候咧，讀個 physics，又轉個 major 去 English，佢決定唔到啦，即係可能佢讀嘅嘢好唔中意啦。卒之到20歲嘅時候咧，就 drop out 咗啦。佢做嘅嘢咧，當然做過幾份工啦，其中一份係做過揸貨車啦。OK， 咁但係咧，通常呢度好成功嘅人咧，都有啲特別嘅地方咧，就係佢對有一啲嘢咧係有好執着嘅熱愛嘅。咁佢走去 U of Southern California 嘅 library 嗰度咧，外國有一啲嘅大學嘅 library 係俾人即係自由入嘅。咁去學一啲即係film technology 嘅嘢 ，OK， 咁但係雖然佢係冇讀過其他嘅嘢，但係由於佢好熱愛呢啲嘢咧，佢係會嘗試去走去睇嗰啲研究生嘅論文啊，係關於 optical printing 啊、front screen projection 啊呢啲咩 dye transfers 呢啲，其實我都唔係太識，即係但係即係都係同啲 imaging 啊各樣嗰啲嘢有關嘅 ，OK， 咁。後來即係當然佢好成功啦，但係即係 common 嘅地方咧就係咧，佢有一個好有趣嘅即係成長啦，即係父母即係佢喺加拿大嘅安大略省出世，又搬咗去第二度啦，即係去咗 California。咁呢個 show 俾我哋睇咧，就係其中一樣咧，就係好出色嘅人咧，通常佢哋嘅成長嘅過程咧，都係有一啲有趣嘅轉彎位，即係俾佢哋經歷過唔同嘅嘢啊，同埋咧佢哋唔一定係讀書叻嘅，即係佢哋相當多嘅人咧係唔讀書叻，但係佢哋會用自己嘅方法去有一啲佢好熱愛嘅嘢，咁去試。咁我希望大家就算你揾到熱愛嘅嘢，唔係我呢一科 software engineering， 我希望大家揾到啲你熱愛嘅嘢 ，OK。希望你 enjoy 嚟緊剩翻1-2年喺 OU，OK，good luck，thank you。